The AUTEL TS508 kit featured in this video was provided by DDC Ltd.
Hi folks, did you face with the TPMS sensor warning lights on your dash? That's probably because you changed the summer tires to the winter one, and there have the tires different sensors and sensor IDs, and the ECU does not read the new one because has no clue they have a new one mostly, but some cars they have a chance or options to update on both. In this case you are in trouble. The dash says go back to the dealership, and the dealership normally gives you an appointment maybe 1-2 weeks time, because that's the busiest time in the year when they change the tires. And then you have the red yellow symbol in your dash, which is kind of disturbing. Anyway, in this case, if you want to reprogrammatize your IDs in your TPMS sensor, that's the case when you need this little guy over here, which is the AUTEL TS508, and that's what I'm going to introduce in this video: how easy to set it up and how easy to programize your TPMS sensors in your car. Let's see what's in the box when you buy this sensor tool kit. Normally it comes with 4 TPMS sensor, the box itself of course, and a very nice case what you can put it in your trunk. Normally that's what I do, and I use this AUTEL maybe 3-4 years already. Here we will find an OBD cable, which one you can use to programize the sensors to the ECU, a USB cable, which is important because this product has a lifetime update option, so never ever you have to pay for any updates like other different brands. And of course itself, the head, the computer, it's a really nice design. It's a tough design all around with the rubber, and it's easy to use, and of course it comes with some papers and a user manual, which is important. It's easy to use, it's not too difficult, believe me. And I was surprised in Hungary how many tire shop has no such things like this. It's so easy to use. It's a nice service when they would say, okay, we change your tires, you want us to programize. Yeah, why not? And it's not too expensive. Anyway, it's easy to switch on. Once you switched on, there will be 2 types of diagnostics. The quick one, where you can just check the battery level and the tire pressure in your tires, and the programmized version, where you can programize everything basically. You can give a new ID, and also you can switch the tires. For example, if some tire shop change your tires and put it on the different position in your car, you can change the position of it, so you will see on the dash in the exact point. The main features: read the TPMS sensor data, the ID, the pressure, the temperature and the battery. Program new sensors, random or manual ID. Clone exist sensors. Write IDs to the ECU via OBD. Sensors position rotation if tires were moved. Tire placard value change on some vehicles. Manual ID input. View and save test history. There are 2 different type of MX sensors which communicate all on 433 MHz. The silver one, which is better for aluminum wheels, and the black one, which is good for black aluminum wheels or regular stainless steel wheels, this one. Fully programmable and compatible with nearly all vehicle brands. You can either clone an exist sensor or generate a brand new ID. Also, if you have a summer and winter tire, you can clone the IDs, so in the future, once you change the sets, there won't be any problem in your dash again as a warning, hey, you need to reprogramize all the things. There is a more simple way to check your tire pressure. The battery of the TPMS sensor is the quick mode. There is another option to give a new ID to your sensors or clone the ID from an exist sensor to a new one. That's exactly the same. The difference is in the end. I will show you once I connect my TPMS sensor reader to the ECU in the car. But first you have to choose the quick mode, then with the Y, with yes, it's a functional like enter button. You enter it to the device menu, then you select the car type, then you select the model of your car, so it's LS, the year, which year has been made, or which series it is, it's MK4. So then it says the all sensors reading, the only one separate sensor reading, programize your sensors, renew or re-identify the sensors or clone it, and the sensor information. These are the 5 menu what you can choose from. The simple one is we picked check all the tire pressure and the battery level of the sensors. In this case it asks the previous history will be cancelled if that's okay. So in that case you can push a no button. If you push a no button, we'll keep everything, but it won't functional, so it won't give you any new information. If you push the yes, that will be delete. The car completely clear, so then you can check any tire if you want, but it gives you an option to check the front left wheel first. Then you use the Wi-Fi signal button to start the search. You touch the TPMS sensor, the valve area where you can read it. It gives a little beeping sound and you have the information. It's 2.58 bar, which is a little bit low, but the battery is getting out. It's in red signal. The right front wheel is 245, but the battery is good. The right rear wheel is 270, so it's getting closer to the right one. And of course the rear left, which is 260. In this case it does not want to offer me the spare tire, which is in the trunk in the Lexus LS 600. But if you push a no, then is a back button on the menu. So I select the spare tire and I check that as well. It's 278, so that's also good. So now I have all the information, so I can connect the TPMS sensor reader to the ECU in the car, so we can programize the sensor IDs to the car. I have the OBD cable, which I need to programize the ECU in the Lexus 600H. All is right over here, so I have to attach first the cable, then I plugged first the TPMS sensor reader, the TS508. So then I jump in the car. I do not push the brake pedal, so I just need some ignition button, push it once, then twice. So I have all the lights up. I didn't have the warning sign now, but basically the same, you have to follow the same procedure. So I have all the information now. This is not asking me to want to override the ECU data with my new data because I didn't have the warning, but basically it will be just appear here a questioning and a question, and just push a yes button, wait like 5 seconds, and then it will be says it's completed. Then you switch on the car, you unplugged the TPMS sensor reader, and then you have to drive the car, the Lexus LS 600 actually, to 30 km per hour average, at least for 10 minutes. Then will be disappear forever or for a while the data sensor error message. Exactly the same when you want to give a new ID, or you want to clone your old ID to a new TPMS sensor. In case if you have 2 separate wheel sets, summer and winter tires, and you want to have just one ID and that's it, anytime you change the tires, basically will be the same information in the ECU, which is a more simple way. If you don't do it and you change it every season, and then you have a few minutes working process like this, what I just made now. And this diagnostic tool comes with 4 TPMS sensor, the black one or the silver one, it's your choice. In Hungary, I will put the link in the description because you will have 5% discount on this shopping. DDC Ltd asked me to make a review short video of this toolkit, and I was happy to say yes for doing it, because I'm using this tool more than 3 years in many different cars and I just love it. I don't need to go to any car dealership, wait in queue or do anything, and if anything happens with my tires or the tire pressure sensors, I can check them. Maybe the battery is just out, and that's why I have the warning lights on. So it's easy if you have this toolkit in this little nice pack in your trunk, and then you are free to go in a few minutes later. Wherever you are, you just pull over, you go around, touch the sensors like I did in this video, and then you are on the way again. If you like this video, push a like button and we are really appreciate it. If you know someone who might have this information useful, please share the video with them. If you have any question, use the comment section to ask anything about this product or write your experience about TPMS sensors. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I wish you have a nice day. Bye.